Hey there, music lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of Ableton's Corpus effect, a powerful tool that can add depth and unique character to your sound. Whether you're aiming for subtle resonances or bold textural effects, Corpus has you covered. So, what is Corpus? Corpus is an effect that simulates the acoustic characteristics of 7 different resonant objects. Developed in collaboration with Applied Acoustic Systems, it leverages advanced physical modeling technology to emulate how real objects resonate, adding new layers of creativity and realism to your productions. So, what does Corpus actually do? It acts as a resonator, enhancing your audio with characteristics of various physical objects. You can choose from 7 types. Beam simulates the resonance properties of materials like wood or metal beams, giving your sounds a deep, rich tone. Marimba reproduces the tuned overtones of marimba bars, perfect for warm, organic textures. String adds the lush qualities of stringed instruments. If you're looking for percussive elements, the membrane resonator mimics drumheads, adding body and thump to your tracks. Plate type introduces metallic, resonant qualities for a bright, sustained sound. Pipe and tube offer cylindrical resonances with adjustable openings, great for breathy, flute-like tones or deeper, hollow effects. And the best part? You can put Corpus on any instrument, from drums to pads and keys. Want your drum loops to have more body and resonance? Apply the membrane or plate settings for punchy, vibrant hits. For lush, atmospheric pads, try using the string or tube resonators. And for keys, use marimba or beam to add unique tonal qualities that make your melodies stand out. Want to take full control? Adjust the decay slider to control how long the resonance sustains for natural or abrupt tail-offs. The material slider simulates different construction materials. Set it low for wooden and nylon tones, or high for glassy and metallic sounds. The in-harm control allows you to fine-tune the harmonic structure, compressing or expanding overtones to craft unique timbres. And if you want to adjust the impact point on the resonator, the hit knob moves the virtual strike point, offering tones that range from full-bodied center hits to edgy, sharp periphery strikes. Now, let's talk movement. The LFO section in Corpus is where things get really interesting. It allows you to apply rhythmic modulation to the resonant frequency, adding a dynamic, evolving element to your sound. You can choose from sine, square, triangle, and sawtooth waves, as well as stepped and smooth noise. Adjust the phase to create stereo movement, or use spin for different LFO rates across each stereo channel to achieve a wide, immersive effect. Need more sound shaping options? The filter section includes a bandpass filter to help isolate and emphasize specific frequency ranges, perfect for tailoring your resonances to fit seamlessly within your mix. So, what about overall control? The global parameters allow for fine-tuning your effect. Use the bleed control to mix a bit of the original signal back in for clarity, especially when working with higher decay settings that might dampen high frequencies. The dry-wet knob helps you balance the processed and raw signals, ensuring that Corpus integrates smoothly into your overall sound. And here's where it gets even more exciting. The sidechain parameters allow you to MIDI modulate the resonance frequency and decay. This means you can sync Corpus with MIDI notes for dynamic, expressive effects that respond to your music in real time. If this breakdown helped, don't forget to follow Cylus Music for more music production tips and tutorials. And if you're ready to elevate your sound design skills, schedule a one-on-one coaching call with me today. Quick question for you. What resonator type are you most excited to try in Corpus? Drop it in the comments and let's chat. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.